Azure DevOps Overview. Azure DevOps is Microsoft's integrated set of development tools designed to support the entire software development lifecycle. It enables teams to plan work, collaborate on code development, build and test applications, and deploy them reliably using modern DevOps practices. Azure DevOps provides flexibility for teams of any size and supports a wide variety of programming languages, frameworks, and platforms. At its core, Azure DevOps consists of 5 major services: Azure Boards, Azure Repos, Azure Pipelines, Azure Test Plans, and Azure Artifacts. These services can be used independently or together, depending on the needs of the team. Azure Boards is used for agile planning, tracking work items, bugs, user stories, and sprint backlogs. Azure Repos offers version control through Git repositories with robust collaboration tools like pull requests and branch policies. Azure Pipelines supports continuous integration and continuous delivery, C/CD, allowing you to automate builds, tests, and deployments across platforms such as Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Azure Test Plans provides a rich set of tools for manual and exploratory testing, helping ensure application quality. Azure Artifacts allows teams to share and manage package feeds, supporting package types such as NuGet, NPM, and Maven. Azure DevOps is cloud-based but also available as an on-premises solution known as Azure DevOps Server. It supports integration with third-party tools and services, including GitHub, Jenkins, Slack, and more, providing teams the freedom to use the tools they prefer. Security is a core aspect of Azure DevOps, offering granular access control, auditing, and policy management to maintain compliance and protect source code and pipelines. Azure DevOps is designed to help teams adopt DevOps principles by facilitating collaboration between development and operations, promoting automation, and streamlining delivery pipelines. Whether you're working on a small open-source project or a large enterprise system, Azure DevOps provides the infrastructure and tools needed to deliver software efficiently and confidently. Azure Repos Introduction. Azure Repos is a powerful and scalable source control solution offered as part of the Azure DevOps suite. It supports 2 types of version control: Git for distributed development and Team Foundation Version Control, TFVC, for centralized development. Azure Repos allows teams to manage their code efficiently and collaborate across the entire software development lifecycle. It integrates seamlessly with other Azure DevOps services such as Azure Pipelines, Azure Boards, and Azure Artifacts, providing a unified platform for DevOps practices. With unlimited private Git repositories and robust collaboration tools, Azure Repos is designed to support both small teams and large enterprises working on complex software projects. Branch policies and pull requests. Branch policies in Azure Repos are essential for enforcing code quality and team collaboration standards. Policies can be configured on specific branches to require reviewers before a pull request, PR, can be merged, ensuring that code is thoroughly reviewed by peers. Policies can also enforce passing build validations, successful test runs, and linked work items to maintain traceability and code stability. Pull requests are the mechanism by which developers propose changes, initiate code reviews, and discuss modifications before merging into the main branches. PRs offer features like inline commenting, automatic merging, and C/CD integration, allowing teams to maintain a high-quality and secure codebase. Gitflow patterns and project policies. Gitflow is a popular branching strategy that provides a consistent workflow for managing features, releases, and hotfixes. In Azure Repos, teams can implement Gitflow by maintaining branches like main, develop, feature/release/ and hotfix/. This pattern helps segregate work based on purpose and stage of the release cycle, enabling parallel development and smoother releases. Project policies in Azure DevOps can enforce standards at the repository or project level, such as enforcing the use of branch naming conventions, mandating work item linkage, and limiting who can push to certain branches. These measures help teams maintain discipline and consistency across projects, reduce errors, and ensure auditability. App repo creation and first commits. Creating a repository for a Node.js demo app begins with initializing a new Git repository in Azure Repos under the desired project. Developers can clone the empty repo locally using the Azure DevOps provided Git URL. Once cloned, the Node.js app files, including configuration files like gitignore, package.json, and readme.md, are added to the working directory. The first commit captures the base structure of the application, and after verification, the changes are pushed to the remote Azure repo. This process establishes the baseline for all future development and prepares the codebase for automated builds, testing, and deployment via Azure pipelines. App repo PR process and Agile process overview. As development progresses, Each new feature or bug fix is implemented in a separate branch based on the Git flow strategy. Developers submit pull requests to merge their work into the develop or main branches. These PRs are reviewed by other team members for code quality, adherence to standards, and functionality. The PR process is tightly integrated with Azure boards, where each PR can be linked to one or more work items such as user stories or tasks. This connection ensures traceability and accountability. The agile process in Azure DevOps enables teams to work in sprints, manage backlogs, and deliver value incrementally. Work is visualized using Kanban boards or sprint views, allowing teams to maintain a steady flow and adapt quickly to changes. App Work Item Backlog Creation Demo. Creating a work item backlog in Azure DevOps for a Node.js demo app starts with defining user stories that represent high-level application requirements. Each user story can be broken down into tasks and bugs, which can be assigned to team members and tracked across iterations. In the demo, items like Create User Registration API, Build Login UI Component, and Implement Error Handling Middleware are added to the backlog. Each item can include detailed descriptions, acceptance criteria, and tags for easy filtering. These work items are prioritized and organized into sprints, allowing the team to focus on the most valuable features first. Linking work items to code commits and PRs closes the loop between planning and implementation, fostering a transparent and agile workflow. Let me know if you'd like to expand this into a formal document or add diagrams and YAML examples.